Good day, wonderful learners! Welcome to our channel. Today's video is about making offers in English using modal verbs shall, can, could and would. Watch this video until the end, and by the time you finish, you will know how to use these modal verbs in everyday speech. At the end of the video, we also have a free quiz for you, so you can practice what you have learned today. Let's get started. Modal verbs such as can, could, would and shall can be used to make offers. Let's go through each one. Using can for offers. Can is commonly used to offer help in an informal way. For example, can I help you with the translation? I'm offering to help. Can I carry your bag? I'm offering my assistance. Shall is used to offer to do something in a polite or formal way. For example, shall I order food? Would you like me to order food? Shall I call you later? Would you like me to call you later? Shall I carry your bags? Would you like me to carry your bags? Could is often used to make suggestions or polite offers. For example, we could stay at home and order food in. Could here means a suggestion. Let's stay at home and order food. I could carry your bags. I'm offering to help you. Would is often used in polite offers, especially with would you like. For example, would you like a cup of tea? I'm offering you tea. Would you like to eat pizza? I'm offering pizza. Remember, after would like, we always use to before a verb. Would you like to do something? Would you like to go for a walk? I hope this grammar lesson helps you use modal verbs correctly when making offers. Don't forget to click the link in the video description to take our free grammar quiz and practice these new rules. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.